In this video, we are learning how to use the parallax effect in PowerPoint to make your presentation shine. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here, I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Click the right button, select New Slide. Go back to Insert, click on Shape. Select rectangle, drag it like this. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select Color, add corresponding icon to PPT. Go back to Insert, select Text Box, add Quote as per PPT here. Select and increase the font size. And we will select all of them and copy them. Go to first slide. Now you have copied, paste it here. Zoom out the slide and move it to the bottom of the slide. Select picture, copy the picture and go to the second slide and paste it here. Click on right button, send to back. Set the picture outside the slide. In this way, go to first slide. Also select second slide. Go to transition. Select Morph. Increase the duration size. Go to first slide. Now click on slideshow. So see friends, how good our parallax effect looks like. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching the video.